Very good morning. For intraday trading today, I have selected TBS Motor. Let me tell you reasons why I have selected TBS Motor. So first reason for selecting TBS Motor is the creation of double top in the recent trading sessions, and that is, let me show you. So this is top 1 and this is top 2, and this is the neck that was created on 10th December, that is on last Friday. So one of the very key important price pattern that was formed, and that has indication that this price may take U-turn when this neck will be broken. So today, after a long fight or consolidation, this level has been broken, but very long candle was also formed. So the first reason for this stock for selection is that double top along with uh, this consolidation period, or you can say uh, a long fight or intense fight between bulls and bears were found yesterday in the second half. Yes, it was in second half from after 12. Yes, around after 12 there was a long consolidation period, and because of that price was able to uh, keep itself below, and at the end of fight there was a kind of indication that price may move in downward directions. So downward movement may be continue, maybe or most probably the continuation of downtrend will be there in the upcoming trend. So first reason, it's creation of double top and along with the starting of dominant pressure of the selling. Double top creation indicates that there is a there is a, you can say the uh, buying trend or buying pressure is getting exhausted over there. So three top, one, two, three, but most probably I am calculating these two top only. So buying pressure is exhausted over here. This is the sign. So dominating pressure till here it was buying. When the momentum shifting was done in between these last 3 to 4 days trading days, so you can see clearly the shifting of momentum from buying pressure to selling pressure, and once the price has broken down this level, it is confirmed that the dominating pressure in this stock as of now is selling. So first reason is double top. Second reason is its consolidation period was formed around the neck, and at the end of this fight price was closed below this level. So, and third is its dominant pressure has been changed from buying to selling, and above all these regions market is in green, sorry, is in red. So four regions for trading in TBS Motor, and after listening these four regions, you have a clear idea that which what kind of trade I have taken in this stock today. And and you can easily expect that I have taken a short trade, and that will be a much more profitable trade, because market is in uh, is in red, and along with the major trend of market we have taken the trade. So these are the reasons, and let us come to the analysis part. So what I have in my pocket already: double top, okay, and after that creation of lower highs and lower lows was started, and along with that I have indication that the price will move in downward directions. So how much it will move, this informations we should also have. So this information is provided by zoom out the chart. You can clearly see the 658 or 655 will be the target price for this today. Okay, this is the first part of analysis, and let's do some in-depth analysis of this trade. So along with all those four confirmations, we can clearly see that the very first candle of today's morning, and it is a long red candle, and on the basis of the structure of the very first candle, that is 915 candle, we can say that red Maruboji has been found, and it is an indication of continuation of the downward directions with a huge volume. If I, yes, you can clearly see, yes, so a huge volume came over here. So as I got this, so I was started waiting price will at least go till here to test this level again, but there was huge selling pressure in the market, and because of that price was unable to make corrections or go for pullback. As soon as this recent low was broken, I have entered in this stock, and I have booked my profit on 660 also. Why? Actually, let me tell you the reason. Okay, you can clearly see head and shoulders pattern was formed around this level, and this has a clear indication of some major player, or you can say buying pressure may come from this level. So on the basis of this structure or the price pattern that was found from 6th till 8th, it is my observation that price may not move beyond this. So 6 point from 666 I have taken the trade, and I have actually booked my profit on 660, only 6 rupees against the 4 rupees, that is 1 is to 1.5 risk reward ratio. I have booked my profit today. So why I have done this? Because price booking for profit booking may come from this level. So if that will come, then after some time this stock will start moving in tight in a range, and if in the next uh, some price correction or some market correction may come, then it will start its upward movement and may hit this level 670 or below this to at least go and check this, go and retest this level. So because of this I have booked my profit on 660. So in expectation of that, the price may take u-turn after this will be, and you can also see huge selling pressure, sorry, huge buying pressure coming over here in this particular 1035 candle. So this is the main reason I have booked my profit on 660. Let's see what happened with this price, but apart from this I'm not going to take any trade, but watching the market is my actually one of the habit. So I will watch the market and see what happened with this stock today in upcoming trading session, that is for today only. So the learning lesson that I have learned today, you can clearly see, or you can actually conclude from my regions what I was missing in my other previous 3 videos, that here I have 4 confirmation, and all the confirmations are aligned. And what I have missed here, I have missed if the price has taken some more corrections or pullback till here at least 670, at least 670. If it has gone, then I may have entered at the better price, and that will actually at that scenario we can expect that 1 is to 3 risk reward ratio I could have got, but that is not happened. So let's see. So this is all about today's trade plan. Thank you guys. Keep watching, keep trading, keep supporting, and keep learning. As you know, I am the I'm very much supporter of the learning process, because learning is most important thing Keep your focus on process, not on the results, because in these days more and more people are showing you the only results. They are not telling you how they have followed the process. They are successful, that is different thing, but you should have your focus on process. So process oriented focus you should have in your skill, not the result oriented. Result will be taken care by the correct process, but you should have your focus only on the process. So thank you, keep watching, keep trading, bye.